Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make fudge bar cake. First, gather your essential ingredients, including chocolate bars, condensed milk, and butter. Make sure everything is at room temperature for the best results. Next, prepare your baking pan by lining it with parchment paper. This simple step ensures your delicious cake will be easy to remove and serve later. Getting organized now makes the whole process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create the rich base for our fudge bar cake. Gently melt about 12 ounces of chocolate bars with 1/2 cup of butter over low heat until smooth. Once melted, stir in 1 14-ounce can of condensed milk until everything is perfectly combined. This creates a wonderfully decadent mixture. Carefully press this mixture evenly into your prepared 9 by 13-inch baking pan, forming a solid, delicious foundation. With the base complete, it's time for chilling. Place your cake base in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, allowing it to firm up completely. This step is crucial for the perfect texture. While it chills, prepare your favorite chocolate ganache or a simple frosting. Once the base is firm, carefully spread your chosen topping evenly over the entire fudge bar cake, creating a beautiful, smooth layer. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for. Let the topping set for a short while before you begin cutting. For clean, precise bars, use a warm, sharp knife to make slices about 1 1/2 inches wide. This ensures each piece is perfect. Store any leftover fudge bars in an airtight container at room temperature for 3 to 5 days, so you can enjoy this treat for longer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.